Today we are going to focus on a grounding meditation. Grounding is a great way to draw in energy without unloading your own. It's also a fantastic way to connect with Mother Earth. If possible, it's best to do this grounding exercise barefoot. Even better if you can do it on the fresh earth, grass, or sand. This is a fundamental exercise to live a little bit more rooted, and it's actually very simple. Standing, we place our feet parallel to the shoulders with the tips positioned a little inward. The knees flex slightly so that the kneecap is aligned with the tip of the foot. We place the hip and the torso as straight as possible, making sure that the hips feel loose. The arms fall parallel along the body and the head also straight, following the line of the body. We loosen our features and open our mouths slightly. We need to relax the face, making grimaces, changing it back to normal. We're looking for tension in the face muscles. Continue with gentle neck rotations that will relieve the upper body area and seek to relieve the habitual rigidity of expression and thinking. It will help to imagine a vertical axis, a thread that enters the crown of the head, follows the spine, and falls by the center of the hip and pelvis, between the legs, to the floor. Imagine this axis when we close our eyes and induce a few small swings or oscillations back and forth to one side and the other, so that our body is reunited with its central axis and balanced more intuitively. Now let's pay attention to our breathing. Simply observing, effortless, just pay attention. Let's focus on the breath for a moment. Introduce a small pause of 1 or 2 seconds before exhaling and inhaling. We remain in the rooting position for 1 or 2 minutes, focusing on your breath. Now focus your attention on the base of the spine. Focus the energy on the first chakra, that is your root. Bring attention to the feet. They are placed firmly on the ground and the back is straight. Now imagine that from your feet a root begins to grow. It slowly rises and intertwines with your legs. Now imagine you are becoming the tree, one with the earth, one with the nature all around us. Feel the heat that gets louder and stronger, and your energy becomes more intense. The power of the earth rises and passes through it, flowing into you. Feel the flow of the energy and control it with your breathing. As you begin to feel more rooted, more grounded, more at one with the energy of the earth all around us, bring your attention back to your hands. Place them on your chest and feel the energy grounding you with every breath. Once you're ready, take a deep breath and slowly begin to open your eyes. Thank you for joining me today for this grounding meditation. I have truly enjoyed meditating with you today. I hope that you can bring this energy into the rest of your day, and I look forward to joining you again soon on your meditation journey. Take care, friends.